Hey guys, Jack Cody with Greenville Drone, and this is the original Phantom. This is the P330. That was the first Phantom that came out. This is a client of ours who wanted me to sell it. It hasn't been flown in quite some time, and last night, after doing a bunch of cleanup and replacing some blades and stuff, I went to go fly it, and this thing had some major issues. I stayed up till 2 o'clock in the morning, no, 1 o'clock in the morning last night, trying to get new software onto this so it would actually fly. Now, most people would say, why in the world would you spend that kind of time on a drone? And it goes down to the passion. You know, I like doing this. It's not for the money, folks, I can guarantee you that, but it's cool to resurrect something from the dead. So I woke up this morning after refreshing and everything, and believe it or not, I think I've got the software to go through. So, without further ado, let's see what happens. Now, what this was doing is, first of all, it wouldn't take off for the average person because you had to use backwards stick motion on the right stick. It would not stay straight, stable, or anything of the above. So, I'm still getting a compass error. So let's go ahead and fix that. Okay. Look at that. That was not doing that last night. I was getting an IMU error, I was getting a compass error, I was getting every kind of error you could think of. So, let's fly this. Wow, check that out. I don't believe it. It's holding. Wasn't doing that before. That is cool. There you go, folks. An original Phantom P330 brought back from the dead. That is cool. So right now I'm testing the return to home feature. Controller is shut off. And that's pretty accurate right there from where it took off from. Look at that, that's cool. So there you go, folks.